Welcome back to my channel Mathematics. Really interesting challenge today. 5 plus 5 divided by 5 minus 5. Maybe this is challenge you've ever seen. We have only addition, division, subtraction, so it looks like this is challenge you've ever seen. But a lot of students make these common mistakes. Right now I suggest you to pause the video, try to solve it by yourself. What do you think is the correct answer? 3 option A, B and C. So choose one option. What do you think is the correct answer to this challenge, and write your option down into the comment section. It will be really interesting to check our answers in the end of the video. So first of all, I want to start with this first interpretation. So it looks like our first interpretation. So just look at this interpretation. So we have 5 plus 5 divided by 5 minus 5. So one part of students solve this question like that. We have 5 plus 5 right here and 5 minus 5 right here. So 5 plus 5 gives us 10. Right here we have 5 minus 5 gives us 0. So we have 10 divided by 0. One part of student tell that right here answer is 0. Another part of student tell that answer is undefined. They don't know how can we divide it. So it looks like option B. Yeah. Another interpretation looks like that. For example, imagine we have this expression. So we have 5 plus 5 divided by 5 minus 5. Okay, take a look closely. 5 plus 5 gives us 10 in a strict order from left to right. So we have 10, and then we have this expression 10 divided by 5 minus 5. Okay, and once more, 10 divided by 5 on the left hand side gives us 2, and 2 minus 5 right here. 2 minus 5 gives us minus 3. Okay, and we have this option. This is option A. So it was our second interpretation. But we should know that in math we can't solve our challenges randomly. We should know what is the correct order to do this problem. And for this challenge, let's look at this third interpretation. So we have 5 plus 5 divided by 5 minus 5. Okay, here's our challenge. And just look at this order of operation, for example, PIMDMC order of operation, which is the most popular order of operation in the world. So this PIMDMC works from the top to the bottom. First step parentheses, then exponent, then we should evaluate multiplication division group, and the last step addition and subtraction group. Okay, addition, subtraction group, our last step. So the first step parentheses, the last step addition, subtraction. And right now let's scan what elements do we have in our challenge. Addition, division, subtraction. And right now let's write where do we have these steps. So division we have right here, we have addition, and we have subtraction. As I told before, it works from the top to the bottom. So parentheses the highest priority and subtraction the lowest. It implies that we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we don't have multiplication. So we have only division, addition, subtraction, and division is our first step because division will have the higher priority than addition and subtraction. So we should divide it first. This 5 divided by 5. So we have 5 plus 5 divided by 5 gives us 1, and minus 5. It seems pretty basic right now because we have addition, subtraction, which is really basic for us. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 5 gives us 1. Okay, so we have this option. This is option C. And right now, a lot of students arguing about the correct answer, this one, or this one. Of course, let's look at this. Let's look, for example, at this first interpretation. This is very bad interpretation because we solve this question absolutely randomly. We start with addition, then we jump to subtraction, which is really bad. With parentheses, we can do this because parentheses has the highest priority, so we should start with these parentheses, and with this parentheses, then addition and subtraction will have the higher priority than division. So we can easily solve this question like that. But in our case, we don't have parentheses, so this is a wrong solution. Forget about this option, about this first interpretation. Second interpretation looks like that. This is also very bad interpretation because we solve it not according to order of operation. We solve this question wherever we want. So we just added first right here 10 plus 10, 5 plus 5, and then division, subtraction. This looks like a strict order from left to right, but we don't care about what is this operation. Addition, parentheses, division. In this case, we should put brackets, parentheses, and then we can easily add 5 plus 5 at first, which gives us 10, and then division, subtraction is a correct order. But in our case, we don't have parentheses, so we just skip this part. Finally, third interpretation, which is absolutely correct interpretation because we solved it according to a correct order of operation, and also division is our first step, and then addition, subtraction in a strict order from left to right. So our answer is option C is a correct answer to to this challenge. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. I have a lot of challenges every day, so I hope you're interested in this content. So thank you for your time. Have a great day. See you in the next video, and also write your suggestion, write your thought in the comment section. What do you think is the correct answer, and what do you think about this solution? So thank you for your time. Have a great day. See you in the next videos.